There you go, Mick at Diggermate here. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to backfill a trench.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com.au and get it done with Diggermate.
So the first method is just to push the trench straight back in. So you can do this at 90 degrees or sort of 45 degrees is going to be better because you won't put as much pressure on the pipes inside the trench once the material starts to fall in. On the far side of the trench, you can reach over and scrape the pile back into the trench. If you're tight on space, you're going to have to stay over the top of the trench and then lift the pile up and fill it that way. So as you get towards the end of filling your trench, make sure you're cleaning up from the furthest point all the way back. You don't want to have to go back several times and clean up where you haven't finished off. So make sure you're finishing off and working all the way to the end of the trench in one go. So there's your 3 tips. As always, practice makes perfect, and don't be in a rush to get full buckets. Small buckets is fine, and taking your time is ultimately going to get a better job done than rushing it and trying to do it quickly.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com.au. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.